Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw dividends in cash sweep from TD Ameritrade, full guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing dividends in cash sweep from TD Ameritrade, log into your TD Ameritrade account. Once logged in, find the navigation menu located at the top of the screen. Hover over or click on the Research and Ideas tab. From the drop-down menu, select Dividends to access your dividend information. Here, you can view your pending and received dividends. Next, to access the cash sweep feature, locate the Account tab at the top. Under the Account tab, select Positions. Scroll through your positions to find any dividends generated. If you have dividends ready to withdraw, click on the Withdraw option. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the desired withdrawal amount. Ensure that the amount reflects your available funds. Select the method for your withdrawal, such as bank transfer or check. If you're opting for a bank transfer, enter your bank account information. Review all details for accuracy, including the withdrawal amount and payment method. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message once your request is submitted. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. To check the status of your withdrawal, you can return to the Account tab. Here, under History, you can track your transactions. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider contacting TD Ameritrade support. It's important to ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover your withdrawal. This completes your guide on withdrawing dividends in cash sweep from TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.